For me, like I always think about it, like when you're a little kid, the way that your mind starts growing and you start like having your view of the world and your place in it starts when you're really little.
Yes.
And the feeling of having freedom and fun is big. Today's we're opening up the playground here at Nickerson Gardens in Watts. And I'm here with Donnie Jobert. And I first came here about 3-4 years ago now.
Yeah.
And met you, and from the very beginning, you welcomed me here with generous spirit, with kindness. And so I just want to start off by saying thank you.
Well, I come here in 65. I was a little boy, 5 years old, and I grew up here in this community, so it really means a lot to me. We want these kids to have the same opportunity that other kids have in other areas. To see a major playground like that, it's blowing these kids away.
There are so many smart, talented, athletic, artistic, academic, and all the different things right here in this community. And kids just need the opportunity, a place to sprout, a place to grow. I just feel like this playground is just a start for that.
You're gonna see the excitement in the kids when they see this and just be a part of this. This playground gonna bring a lot to this community, and again, we honored, we're excited. We couldn't wait till that gate came down, and it came down today.
Yeah, you know, I've been like, throughout my life, I've been able to do a lot of things I really care about, you know, playing music, and in a different way. I had my troubles when I was a kid, and this, like just being a part of this, and I don't think I've ever been happier to be a part of something else in my life.